Good morning, everyone. Hey, it's me again, your Ate Foca. And today is the day. I'm so excited kasi manonood tayo ng Hello, Love Again. Yes, nakapag-secure tayo ng ticket kahapon sa Vox Cinema. So we are going for 10 o'clock in the morning yung movie. And it's already 8:10. So mag-ready lang ako mga inday. And after that, didiretso na lang ako sa work. Pero today, I'm really excited kasi umiiwas talaga ako sa Twitter, umiiwas ako sa TikTok, umiiwas ako kung saan-saan kasi ayoko ma-spoil. Pero yun nga, minsan, pero meron akong nakita dahil na talagang na-trigger ako na kailangan ko talaga siyang panoorin. May nag-spoil ng isang eksena. But, of course, it's okay for me. Good move yun na na-spoil yung part na yun kasi, alam mo, nakakaloka kasi yun, guys. So, yan. So, by the way, here is our room. Wala na yung kakwarto ko. We are actually two sharing in one room. So, for those who don't know, kaya-resign ko lang ng work. And join ko naman dito sa bago naming company. So, yeah. And they provided us a very comfy, very clean accommodation. So, thank you, Lord, kasi hindi mo ako pinabayaan. I really thank you. Ganun talaga dapat, Day. We need to be thankful. We need to be grateful. We need to appreciate all the things kasi, Day, ang dami pang walang work dito. Ang daming mga walang magandang bahay na matutuluyan dito sa Dubai, and all over the world, ganun. So, consider yourself blessed pa rin talaga. So, yes, let's go and take a shower, change, kasi magta-taxi pa ako going to Mall of Emirates. Yes, sa Mall of Emirates talaga yung aking napili kasi siya yung very near sa aking workplace. So, see ya! By the way, ito pala yung kama ko. And let's just open the window para naman, ito ng ilaw. So, yes. Ay! Ayan, char. So, nandito ang aking cactus. Yan. Ang kitang cactus ko na to. Ayan, dito ko nilalagay yung aking mga pabango. So, dito pala meron din kaming provided na refrigerator. And, yeah. Dito yung kwarto ng kasama ko. So, this will be my outfit for today. Ayan, pa-sweet girl lang tayo. Using this, Adidas Campus. Yeah. I'm ready and I'm so excited. So, ayan, I'm almost ready. I'll be wearing these pants that I got from, nakalimutan ko na. And I'll be using these shoes. These will be my shoes today from Adidas Campus. And I'll be using this perfume. My all-time favorite, guys. As in, paubos na siya. And medyo pricey siya kaya kinakabahan ako. I usually use this for dates, but alam mo yun, I just love to smell very sweet and very kalmadong babae. Virgin, masikip-sikip, ganun tayo. This is the one. This is from YSL Lib Intense. O, kailangan intense. Diba? Sino naman ang ayaw ng intense? Dapat pag ano siya, pag bilahin mo siya, ganun agad yung epekto. Yes! And since we are bringing some of my uniform pala kasi baka didiretso na ako from the movie to work. So, I'll be using this bag that I got from H&M. A denim bag. So, ganyan siya kalakit eh. But I really like it kasi it's very spacious. Diyan. So, yan. Naglalagay na tayo ng pants which I'll be using later for my uniform. Kakalok. Diba? What I really love about this bag is super spacious talaga siya. And of course, let's not forget to bring also our shoes. So, importante yan for the work tayo kasi later sis. Let's not forget to take our charger kasi importante yan. So, hindi ko na pala kukunin yung aking camera with me kasi I'm using two phone naman. So, one of them will be my camera for today's vlog. Tingnan mo naman ang aking pants. Medyo gusot-gusot be. Pero I don't have time anymore. Kaya, go na tayo. So, itong aming accommodation. This is my most favorite part of the accommodation kasi nakakaganda tong mirror na to, be. And here's our mini kitchen. So, dito kami nagluluto tayo. So, let's go. So, one good thing about here also is they provide us free water. Free water kami dito, day. May pa free housekeeping yan. Let's go. And also pala, I didn't bring the DJI mic with me kasi I just wanna test if how good the audio quality of iPhone 16 Pro Max pala when it comes to vlogging, diba? So, kasi yun yung isa sa mga in-advertise nila during the event that the iPhone 16 Pro Max microphone is like very good for vlogging. It has noise cancellation. Meron pa siyang, basta meron siyang something that you can edit during the video post editing. Kaya let's see kung effective ba talaga, di ba? Who knows? Okay, let's press 6. G pala. So this is how the outfit looks like pala. Ayan. Alam ka ng tiyan ko, oh my God. Medyo hungry na ako kasi di pa talaga ako kumain. So, maybe I will just find something to eat also in the mall. Kasi sa mall naman ang punta natin. We are gusot-gusot for today's video. At dito tayo. Okay, so no one is sitting here on the outside ngayon. So, dito pala ang abangan namin ng bus, be. Every time we go for duty. Ayan, so this is the area. And doon ang pala ang workplace ko, te. Malapit dyan sa ano na yan. Sa hotel na yan. Okay, now kailangan natin mag-book ng taxi. This is the app that we use here. Para din siyang Uber and Grab actually. But this is like a cheaper version. Ewan ko lang kung cheaper ba talaga siya. So, let's put Mall of Emirates. Mall of Emirates. Ayun. So, click mo lang yun. And then, confirm pickup. Yan. And, ayan, so mamimili ka. So, it will cost me around, oh, putang ina, 50 to 61. Shoota. Girl, oh eh. Tignan mo naman Alden Richard. At saka Catherine Bernardo. Grabe yung gagastusin ko pa nga mapanood ko kayo. So, we just need to wait until one driver will accept it. And ayun na nga, may nag-accept na and it's just 2 minutes away. So, I guess nandun lang siya sa area na yon. Oh God, the zoom quality of this iPhone is amazing. Na-amaze ako mga te. Girl, may bird dito te. O, tignan mo naman kaano kaamo ang mga bird dito te. Diba? Huh. Ayan, so it's, oh my God, why now it's giving me 5 minutes? Anyways, wala tayong choice kundi maghintay dito. Ngayon ko lang na-realize na ang dry ba nga ng skin ko kahit naglagay na ako ng moisturizer. Shoota. Kakahiya. Ayun, nakita ko na yung taxi, te. Andito na siya. Yeah, andito na siya.
You are on the fastest route despite heavier than usual traffic. You should reach your destination by 9:24 a.m.
Sige nga ate. Good morning! Okay mga ate, so finally we are already here sa mall. Dito pa pala tayo sa entrance. Yes. Ayan, so syempre as expected, most of the shops are actually still closed. So for sure na yung cinema lang ang open pa sa ngayon. Like look, see the shops are still closed. Now we need to find where the cinema is. So ayan, paakyat na tayo. Medyo nakikita-kita ko na kung saan papunta doon sa sinehan. So fresh ka pa ba? Fresh ka pa ba? Parang hindi na. So ayan, like I said, sarado pa ang mga shops, mga mare. As in, wala pang katao-tao, te. Ako pa lang. Gusto ko pa sanang mag-breakfast, but I think malilate ako sa movie in case kasi it's showing 10 AM and it's already... Ano bang oras? Oh my God, wala yung phone ko. So now it's already 9:30 in the morning na din. So there's only 30 minutes. And I think I will not be able to make it pag kakain pa ako. Kaya it's better just go to the cinema, and since pwede naman tayo mag-order doon, may mga pagkain naman like popcorn for breakfast or hotdog. Pwede na yung hotdog. Girl, ito palang isa sa mga pinakamagandang mall dito sa Dubai, ang Mall of Emirates. Like, see? Diba? Okay, I finally found it. Nandun na siya. Nandun na ang sinihan. So, yes, we made it. Ayan, nagsisimula na sila magbukas, be. Adidas. Hello, Adidas. Baka naman, charot. So, ayan na. Girl, nakakahiya. Diyos ko, parang ako yung isa sa mga pinakamaaga. Nakakaloka. Ayaw ko, nakakahiya. Well, anyways, may cafe pala dito. So, pwede siguro tayong magkape-kape. Tanungin natin. Oh, I think promotional ano ba to for the weekend? Kasi showing na din pala ang weekend. So, yeah, ganito yung itsura ng sinihan dito, te. Ang laki. Like, yun. So, wala pang counter, te. I think, oh my God. Paano ko kukuha ng kakainin ko ngayon? Sabi, kuha muna tayo ng makakain and hindi ako makapag-decide. Ayan na. So, ayan, we finally got our food. We're just gonna wait for the rest of the food. Ayan na nga mga beshi. Here's the poster of the movie. Ayan. So, here's the poster of the movie. Ayan. So, manonood na tayo dahil. We already got our food. And I'm so excited. I don't know what to expect aside from the malalang laplapan according to the ano. Wait lang pa, isa rin ticket natin. Okay, so ang sabi Cinema 14. Oh my God, it's here. This is number 14. Ayan. So number 14. Ayan, papasok na tayo dahil. This is the theater. Wala pa naman yata ng tao. Sure ba ang napasukan ko? Bakit walang tao, te? Okay, so this will be my seat ate. I will be on A15. So at least, oh, sino kayo makakadate ko dito? So this is how it looks like in the cinema. Tingnan mo naman gaganda ang seat nila dito, ate. It's very comfy. So we have this. Ayan. Hello, mag-isa lang ako dito. Sure ba to? Mag-isa ako. Oh my God, mga ate, namali pala ako nang napuntahang sinehan. Ayan, magsisimula na siya. Okay, so we're finally done with everything. Dumaan lang ako sa Center Point to have a little bit of shopping, treat myself, and pauwi na tayo. Yes. Ayan sa mga bakla, I'm finally back from the cinema and now I need to rush kasi I have work at 3 p.m. Now it's already 1:42 p.m. and kailangan kong i-take yung bus. Kailangan kong i-take yung bus namin. Yung bus will be moving at 2. So I still have 80 minutes left. para isa katuparan ang lahat ng mga eksena dito. Okay? So, see ya! And by the way, mga akla, nakapag-shopping tayo ng very light. So, meron tayo na po ng isang sando. 2 t-shirt. 2 printed t-shirt. Ayan. So, isa siyang isang Avengers saka isang Dragon Ball Z. And I also get this red varsity jacket. Ayan. Ang cute-cute nito. So, gusto ko pala siya. And we also get 2 sweatpants. Ayan. Tapos, isang belt. Yun lang. So now I'm on my work. After the movie, I came straight for work. This is Miss Tatum, who is from South Africa. Yeah, she is known to be one of the best hospitality person in the country. So I'm very proud that I get a chance to work with her. And on my left side, I have Mr. Abdurrahman, who is also known to be one of the top upseller last year for 3 consecutive months. And in front of me, I have Mr. Ahmed, who's the youngest on the family, I guess. Not the youngest, but the youngest in the concierge department. So we will be opening tomorrow the hotel, and we are so excited. We are very excited. So I just wanna know. I can't wait to welcome all our guests tomorrow, and I'm so happy for this new beginning. This is my second company. So see you tomorrow, guys, and thank you for watching for my vlog. If you like it, click like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Fresh ka pa ba?
Muhammad Mahmoud.
Why is my teeth so white?